Hi everyone, welcome back to Buyer's Favorites. In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best car vacuum cleaners for 2025. Whether you're tackling everyday messes or need a reliable cleaner for deep cleaning your car, this list has you covered. Make sure to check out the description for product links and prices. Let's get started. Number 5. Dyson V8 Cordless Vacuum, $389. Coming in at number 5 is the Dyson V8 Cordless Vacuum, a premium option that's versatile enough to clean both your car and home. This vacuum stands out for its sleek design, quiet operation, and ease of use, with simple attachment swapping and hassle-free emptying. However, its high price tag is matched with underwhelming battery performance, lasting just under 8 minutes on max power. While its standard mode extends battery life, it isn't powerful enough for deep cleaning car mats. For a high-end vacuum, it's effective but might not be the best value for strictly car-specific use. Number 4. BLACKDECKER Dustbuster Pivot 20V. At number 4, we have the BLACKDECKER Dustbuster Pivot 20V, a vacuum that offers a unique pivoting nozzle to tackle hard-to-reach spots. It excels at cleaning small spaces with strong suction and a wide-mouthed crevice design. However, its compact intake channel can clog easily with larger debris, requiring frequent emptying during extended cleaning sessions. Despite its average battery life, the pivot feature makes this vacuum a great choice for quick and efficient car cleaning. Number 3. Bissell AeroSlim 29869. At the third spot, we have the Bissell AeroSlim, the most portable vacuum on this list. Small enough to fit in a car's cup holder, it's perfect for touch-ups on the go. Despite its small size, it performs admirably on light messes and pet hair, and its 15-minute battery life outlasts many competitors in its category. However, its small dustbin and limited ability to handle larger debris mean it's best suited for light cleaning tasks. At just $41, it's an affordable and convenient option for those who prioritize portability. Number 2. BLACKDECKER 16V Max Dustbuster. In second place is the BLACKDECKER 16V Max Dustbuster, a budget-friendly favorite that delivers impressive performance for its price. With a wide-mouthed design, it easily tackles dirt, crumbs, and other messes without clogging. The dustbin is simple to empty, and its compact charging base ensures it's always ready to use. While the battery life is short and the motor can be noisy, its strong suction power and versatility make it a fantastic choice for everyday cleaning. Number 1. Shark Cyclone. Taking the top spot is the Shark CH951 Cyclone, a car vacuum that combines power, design, and convenience. Priced at $80, it's compact enough for easy storage, yet powerful enough to clean various surfaces with ease. Its large dirt compartment reduces the need for frequent emptying, and the included crevice tool helps you clean tight corners effectively. While its battery life is just over 10 minutes, the Shark's powerful suction and all-around performance make it the best choice for car cleaning in 2025. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best car vacuum cleaners for 2025. Whether you're looking for portability, power, or all-around performance, there's a vacuum here for every need and budget. Let us know in the comments which one you're considering, and don't forget to check the description for links to all the products. Thanks for watching Buyer's Favorites, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful reviews.